Hello everyone! Welcome back to Madhu's Plate YouTube cooking channel. Are you ready to make semolina biscuits? Yes, today we are going to make semolina biscuits. We want 4 ingredients: 100 grams of semolina, 2 tablespoons of milk powder, 50 grams of powdered sugar, 1 egg. Take a mixing bowl and put a egg. Whisk until well combined. Add the powdered sugar to the beaten egg. Mix until the sugar is dissolved and the mixture becomes slightly creamy. Add semolina little by little. Mix well until all the semolina is moistened and combined. Add the milk powder to the mixture. Mix well and make a dough. Let the dough rest for about 10 minutes. Take a baking tray and put a parchment paper. After 10 minutes, take semolina biscuits dough. Apply oil on your hands. Take small portions of the dough. Make a ball. Create a biscuit shape like this. Place the shaped biscuits onto a baking tray and bake in the preheated oven about 20 minutes in 180 Celsius. Look at this after baking biscuits. Let them cool on the cooling rack for a few minutes. Our semolina biscuits are ready to be enjoyed. Remember that baking times based on your oven's temperature accuracy. So keep an eye on the biscuits as they bake to avoid over browning. Okay guys, if you like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye.